So यो पनि अब नेटवर्क डाटा मोडल पनि हायरार्किकल मोडल जस्तै हो, quite similar. यसको चाहिँ अलिकति डिफरेन्स भनेको चाहिँ it can support many to many relationship, unlike hierarchical data model. Because of this, we can have expanded capability in analysis. Either we can have facilities in more efficient search mechanism, or editing, updating, this kind of capabilities can be expanded, have expanded form. So it reduces redundancy in data. Okay, because of this many to many relationship, unlike hierarchical data model, it allows child to have many parents. हैन, हाम्रो चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ हायरार्किकल मोडलमा चाहिँ एउटा प्यारेन्ट्सको चाहिँ नम्बर अफ चाइल्ड हुन सक्थ्यो होइन, तर एउटा चाइल्डको चाहिँ नम्बर अफ प्यारेन्ट्स हुन सक्दैन होइन, डिफ्रेन्ट प्यारेन्ट्स चाहिँ हुन सक्दैन, एउटै मात्र प्यारेन्ट हुन सक्थ्यो भने त्यो चाहिँ रेस्ट्रिक्सन चाहिँ यसमा भएन। हायरार्किकल डाटा मोडल को जुन चाहिँ लिमिटेसन्स थियो होइन, त्यसलाई चाहिँ यसले चाहिँ ओभरकम गर्छ त्यो। सो it can it has much more acceptance in GIS. GIS मा चाहिँ यो चाहिँ हायरार्किकल डाटा मोडलमा भन्दा चाहिँ मोडललाई भन्दा चाहिँ यसलाई चाहिँ बेटर हामी चाहिँ यसमा चाहिँ एप्लाई गर्न सक्छौँ यो टाइपको डाटा मोडलहरू चाहिँ। So you can look at this figure. This is a parent, let's say grandparent. Grandparents have many childrens, and these parents, these are again become the parents for these childrens. And unlike in hierarchical data model, a child can have many parents. For example, this child number one can have a parent, A as parent, B as parent, and it also may become a parent. It may be a C may be a parent of this one. Okay, so little bit more complex than a hierarchical data model. So next one is relational data model. So unlike the previous database model that we have discussed, it stores data in separate files. So it divides the whole database into a number of files, number of separate files, and maintain relationship between them. So such each file is they are called tables. A table is related to the other table in a database with common field. So we assign a unique field values. So with that field value, number of tables can be related with the help of these fields. Common field. So this allows each record to be uniquely identified, and this kind of database model can have relationship like one-to-one relationship, or one-to-many, or many-to-one, or many-to-many. So there are flexibility in relationship maintenance. So although these are possible, the last one, many to many, these are often not so meaningful. So this type of relationship is not maintained or not desirable in practice. So you can see a graphical explanation in this slide. So you can have many tables. Like here in this table, there are two tables, database 1 and database 2. They can have one-to-one relationship. They have only one-to-one relationship. But in this table, there are one-to-many. One record in this table has relationship to many records in this table. So similarly, here is many to one. This is just opposite of this one. one one record in this table, second table is related to many records in the first table. So here is many to many. Many to many means all the rows, all the records may have relationship or to all records in this table, or vice versa. So here is another one example for city boundary. City boundary. So the cities are identified with this code, or we can call it a city ID. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and city name is mentioned here in the second field. So this table is related to this table with the help of this city ID. City ID 2 is city 2 is the name of city 2 is hello.
Yes, sir.
सुनिरहेको छ है?
हजुर सर.
सर
यो के एउटै सिटीबाट फेरि एक्सपेन्डिचर दुईवटामा देखाएको थियो अघि बुझेन कि.
एकछिन है, म एक्सप्लेन गर्दैछु. एक्सपेन्डिचर टु सिटी 1 ORM expenditure. Okay, मैले त्यसमा त्यसलाई अहिले मैले एक्सप्लेन गर्न सकिनँ है. I'll come back to that later. र मैले अहिले यहाँ चाहिँ मेन्सन गर्न खोजेको चाहिँ यो टेबलमा पनि हाम्रो सिटी आइडी भन्ने चाहिँ फिल्ड छ हैन. यो कलममा पनि यो टेबलमा पनि हाम्रो सिटी आइडी भन्ने टेबल छ हैन. With the help of this field we can link we can make connection between these two tables. So we can have number of tables, not only two. We can have a number of tables within a database that can be related to with this common ID, common field that is available in number of tables. So this is the principle of our relational data model. So one is related to another table with common ID, common common field. Let's say common field, right? So this much for today. I'll come back to I'll continue with this chapter after the say.
ओके सर. सर अगाडिको च्याप्टर हाल्दिनु बारे चाहिँ यो र अगाडिको हाल्दिनु न सर.
ल एकछिन है म हाल्दिहाल्छु त्यो.
थ्यांक यू सर. थ्यांक यू.
ओके ल सबैलाई
सेम टु यु सर.
ल सबैले राम्रो दशैं मान्ने है.
सर हाल्दिनु है सर.
ल कोरोनाबाट बच्ने है. ल
घरभित्रै छु सर.
ल ल ल त ल ओके बाई बाई.